the ultimate guide to identifying trustworthy e-commerce websites. Understanding the trust dilemma. The rise of e-commerce. Over the past decade, e-commerce has experienced exponential growth, with more businesses and consumers embracing the online marketplace. This proliferation has given rise to a diverse range of e-commerce platforms, catering to various niches and offering an abundance of products at the click of a button. The skepticism and trust deficit. However, as e-commerce continues to evolve, so does the skepticism surrounding its authenticity. Concerns about fraudulent sellers, counterfeit products, and insecure transactions have left many consumers questioning the trustworthiness of e-commerce platforms. This skepticism creates a trust deficit that needs to be addressed through transparency, reliability, and adherence to best practices. The trust-building process. Building trust through website security. One of the fundamental aspects of trustworthiness in e-commerce is website security. Consumers need assurance that their personal and financial information is safeguarded. To address this concern, reputable e-commerce websites prioritize security measures such as secure sockets layer, SSL, certificates, encryption protocols, and robust firewalls. These technologies work together to create a secure environment for online transactions, instilling confidence in customers. Establishing credibility with authentic product information. Transparency and accurate product information play a pivotal role in building trust with consumers. E-commerce platforms must provide detailed product descriptions, high-quality images, and clear pricing information. Additionally, authentic customer reviews and ratings act as social proof, enabling potential buyers to make informed decisions. By ensuring accuracy and credibility in the presentation of products, e-commerce websites can earn the trust of their customers. Delivering exceptional customer service. Trust is fostered through exceptional customer service. E-commerce platforms that prioritize customer satisfaction by promptly addressing queries, providing seamless order tracking, and offering hassle-free returns build a reputation for reliability and dependability. By going above and beyond to cater to the needs of their customers, e-commerce websites can establish long-lasting relationships built on trust and loyalty. Ensuring authenticity, best practices for consumers. Verifying the legitimacy of e-commerce websites. As a savvy consumer, it is crucial to verify the legitimacy of e-commerce websites before making a purchase. Look for contact information, such as a physical address and customer support channels, to ensure the existence of a genuine business entity. Additionally, conducting a quick search for reviews and ratings can provide valuable insights into the experiences of other customers. Scrutinizing payment security. Before entering sensitive payment information, always ensure that the e-commerce website employs secure payment gateways. Look for indicators such as a padlock symbol in the browser address bar or the https:// prefix, indicating a secure connection. Additionally, familiarize yourself with reputable payment providers and choose options that offer buyer protection and secure transaction mechanisms. Assessing trust signals. Trust signals are indicators that can help assess the credibility of an e-commerce website. Look for trust badges, such as verified payment logos and security seals, which demonstrate compliance with industry standards. Moreover, take note of recognized certifications and affiliations that reflect a commitment to quality and professionalism.